everyone, thanks for watching. My name is Vivian from Wellmax Lighting. Being in the lighting industry, I often get asked by my friends and family on how to choose the right light for their homes. Home is where we spend the most time, but for the past 2 years, because of the COVID-19, we spend much more time at home. So, a comfortable and relaxing environment is very important for everyone, and home lighting is a crucial element. Today, I'm going to share how to choose the right light for your loving home. First, if you like to create a warm and cozy feeling in your living room or bedrooms, you're better to choose lights with 3000 K color temperature. This bulb is for warm color. Lights with 3000 Kelvin will produce warm light, and those with 60,000 Kelvin or 60,500 Kelvin will produce white and cool light. In this case, if you want to be more productive while working at home, consider putting 60,000 Kelvin color temperature lights in your study room or living room. Color temperature of 4000 Kelvin is natural lighting, best for areas such as the kitchen. The second tip, which many people often don't know, is to choose a lamp that generates softer lighting effect. For example, you might find that when you are reading under a spotlight, your eyes get tired after a while. This is because the intense lighting will create a strong stimulate to the eye's photoreceptor cells and nerve cells, causing headaches, eye strain, and fatigue. Over time, it's not good for eyes. So, for the health of yourself and your loved ones, be sure to find anti-glare lights. Not only does it make your home look softer, but it's also healthier for eyes. If you are still wondering what lights to choose, allow me to make you some recommendations. As the LED bulb expert, Wellmax has been working with Samsung, using Samsung LED chips to design the perfect light for our customers. For example, we developed the world's first downlight that adopts bulb tech design, that is the SATURN Downlight series. Wellmax has over 30 years experience in designing bulbs and now integrate this valuable experience into bulb tech. This design can increase light emitting area over 30% compared to normal downlights, and allows the LED lighting to emit gentle and evenly. SATURN's patented anti-glare screen is well to reduce glare, creating an eye comfort environment for you. In addition, the SATURN cereals are made with Samsung LED chips that achieves RA modern lighting, bring out more accurate and literal light to reproduce the true color of images and objects. Using only the best quality material, SATURN Downlights achieves IP44 rating for water resistance level. You can use it in moist spaces, such as the bathroom and the balcony. Reliability and lifespan guaranteed. SATURN is the best in both lighting effect and quality, very suitable for home use. Many friends may worry about it's hard to replace the lights in their homes. Don't worry, it's very easy. It only takes 1 minute to replace. All you have to do is connect the wires, slap the clamps, and put SATURN on ceiling. Very quick and easy. I believe this beautiful and high-quality downlight has definitely caught your eyes. If you have any question about the product, please contact us or learn more on Wellmax. Go to our website, wellmaxgroup.com, or our Facebook page. There are more residential lighting solutions for you to discover. Thank you for watching, my friends. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I look forward to talking with you next time. Bye.